can get it. Hellraiser, demon slayer, no kitten be. Run up on me playing, they'll find you.
Yo, what up, though? So, I got it, y'all. These are the Air Jordan 36 SE Samurai Edition. I don't know what these. I don't know the names of these things, man. I'm getting too old to be caring about the little individual names and all that. Man, you got the SC5s? No, I don't even. I wanted to do a live unboxing because I don't do these. Usually I just tuck my J's away and I keep it pushing. But I'm in a good mood today. Oh my gosh, man. First off, I want to just say shout out to the sneakers app. That's how I got these. Usually I get outbeat by bots. You know, I guess people have like little bots that they order the shoes with. Usually I lose to them. Somehow, some way, when they dropped at 10 o'clock, I was able to actually get them. So before we jump into the shoe itself, I just want you to take a look at the box art. The box art is amazing, man. It has a samurai theme to it. Just trying to show you the box. I know some people really like these unboxings because it lets them see, you know, everything up front before they buy it themselves. I'm gonna turn this dim it down a little bit so you can see the real beauty in this shoe box. Man, art runs the world, man. Like, art is just everything. People don't really realize how important art is, man. Oh, they got like a Velcro. All right, Velcro. Oh, okay. Here's some of the paper right here. So as you can see, I have not touched these. These bad boys are like still so fresh and so clean. So look, it looks like it comes with like a little poster or something. Now I don't understand the number 8. I don't get that part. I don't get that because Jordan never wore the number 8. If anything, Kobe did. But all right, I'll roll with it. All right, we got the wrapping paper. It's like a, what is that? It feels like aluminum foil, but a plastic aluminum foil. Yeah, it's like a, what is that? Okay, I'm gonna get my first look at the shoe. Very first look. Here it is. A lot of people will not like these because a lot of people are fans of the retro, like the original retro. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm a big fan of MJ. I don't care if he keep making them, I'm gonna keep buying them. All right, but let's take a look at these up close. All right, there you go. This is a, what kind of fabric is that? It's like a, I'm not sure what that is. It's like a nice little gloss to it. And keeping true to the other versions that came out, you can see through the bottom. You can see through there. This is really weird though. Like this part right here, like let me see if I can zoom in. Like this part, it feels like it can break. No, it's like it's not a hard plastic, but it feels like you can, like, if you push it too hard, it'll break. It's a weird feeling. Now with this part right here, it feels like mesh. And then, oh, this is, man, the reason I bought these, because shoes are becoming like the new car. You know what I'm saying? So it's like when you wear shoes on your feet, it's like you're wearing cars. Like this isn't like a vehicle, it's like a luxury vehicle. If we look at the bottom, you got some really cool script down here. It's actually hidden underneath the sole. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm not trying to like do what some of these other guys be doing. No hating to them, but I mean, just wanted to show them off. It look kind of cool, you know, not bad. If I had to rate them in person, I would give them a 9. I feel like you really have to work on the outfit that you would like to wear with these. I don't know if you can wear this with anything, but you know, I'm a t-shirt designer. Shout out to brokenheartshirts.com. So, you know, I'll figure out, I can make my own shirt that'll go perfect with these. And I just might do that. The color seems to be like a tan or sand, something in that realm. Look at that, man. That's a nice looking shoe right there. That's art for sure. So yeah, I can definitely come up with something, you know, for this. But that's pretty much it, y'all. I just wanted to show you what these bad boys look like in person up close. These mugs is tough, man. For real. Definitely happy I got them. They ran 190, what was it, 190? And about 211 or something after tax or something like that. You can see through that. I don't know if y'all can really see through that. I can. But thank you for tuning in, and I'll get back with you.